question here. Lots of students find it challenging. So what do we do to this question here? The first thing we need to do is take this and change it to 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2. You remember if we multiplying numbers with multiplying numbers with exponents, what we do, we add the exponents. So this, if we multiply it, it gives us 3 to the power of x plus 2. But now we need to break it this way so we could solve this question right here. So plus 3 to the power of x equals 10. And you know, because I'm seeing that the bases are 3 and 81, I could write it as 3 to the power of 4. I'm going to do that right away, and hopefully it's going to materialize later. Now, here, if you look at this, you have two terms here. This is one term and this two terms. Between these two terms, you have a greatest common factor, which is 3 to the power of x. So if you take 3 to the power of x out as a greatest common factor, you'll end up with 3 to the 2 on this side right here, and then plus. And here, when you factor out 3 to the x, you end up with 1. Because if you multiply this into here, you're going to get this. And if you multiply it into here, you're going to get that. And that gives you 10. And I'm going to bring 3 to the power of 4 to the top. And if I bring it to the top, it becomes -4. Now, at this stage, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say 3 to the x times 3 squared is 9 plus 1 is 10. So I'm going to have 10 here equals 10 times 3 to the -4. If you have a 10 on this side multiplied in this, and you have a 10 multiplied in this, you could just cancel the 10s right there. And you have 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of -4. And therefore, the answer is x equals -4. Thanks for watching.